Alright, today we're gonna make a little goofy goobert, a little exercise and squash and stretch. It's very easy to do, so let's get started. So, we're gonna start our new one. Goo! Yeah, that'll work. Create your project. Now, I have the grid on, so I want to make sure I don't go below this grid line, if you could see that there. So, first things first, I'm going to make sure my pencil is at, I'm going to keep it at 11. I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to just make our little goo guy. We're going to start in our little idle pose. Like a little Pac-Man guy. His little eyes, his little mouth, little mouthy smile. It's great, little mouthy smile. We love him. Now we're gonna copy and then just paste him forward. 1, 2, 3. 3 times right here, okay? So that way it holds, so you can see that for at least 4 frames. And now, I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit. We're gonna have little Goobert stretch up. So we're gonna have him stretching up right here. And when you do this, he's just gonna be a little bit thinner. There we go. Move his eyes up just slightly. He's just so happy. And we're gonna keep copying and pasting. 1, 2. Let's see. There you go. Yeah. He's getting ready to really stretch up. And let's just check the top of our frame. We're gonna have him stretch all the way up. As a matter of fact, all the way up here. 1, 2. Wait, we don't want him to go below. No, stop. You'll get a little goofy. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. And then we can have him like so happy to stretch. Make him smile, actually. And then see how it's going now? He's stretching up. He's already stretching. You guys are doing it. Isn't that neat? So 1, and then make this hold for a copy, paste for like at least 2 seconds, and then copy, paste. I want him to stretch just 2 more frames, right? Here's why. I'm gonna go back to 10 right here. Take the lasso tool. I'm gonna highlight and circle it. I'm gonna squish him just a little bit more and take this little 0, move it down, stretch it up, and then bring him back down. And then see, he's gonna stretch up and then come back down right at this frame right here. He's gonna come down. Oops, remember to select the right tool. Don't be like me. You're gonna select it and not select it. Actually, as a matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is make sure that, let's see, onion skin. Let's edit my onion skin. I want at least 5 frames before I want to see where, there we go. I want Goobert back over here. There we go, Goopster. Back over here. He's getting ready to squish all the way down. Let's remember to copy and paste this. 1, 2, 3. So right around here, I'm gonna have him at number 14. I'm gonna select him. I'm gonna take this little 0, move it down. I'm gonna have him squish a little bit, and I'm gonna use perspective. I'm gonna squish him out a little bit, only a little bit. Let's see how that looks. And then over here, I'm gonna take the same thing, number 15, squish him just a little bit more, pull him out, squish, squish, move down, like stretch, move down. And what I'm gonna do is erase the eyes. I shouldn't have to, but I'm doing it for a reason. I want him to get ready to squish a little more. So let's see how that looks. Ooh, it's already coming together. He's going down. He's going down. You can see the anticipation. You're anticipating that he's gonna squish. We're getting there. So we're going up. We're stretching. We're getting ready to come down. And then we're gonna really squish Goobert to the extreme, right? We're gonna, ooh, goodness. I'm gonna start right here. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna squish him right here. There we go. And then I'm gonna have Goobert come right down here. And his mouth like this. Wait, he's got a smile. There we go. He's squishing back and he's coming down. I'm gonna have another copy. We're gonna paste it again. Paste it again. And for this frame right here, I'm gonna only take the selection tool and slightly move him down, squish him out, only slightly. So there we go. I want him to really squish down. We want to exaggerate the squish. Make sure you have your pencil selected. I'm going to move it over there. And now we got Goobert practically melting on the floor. 1, 2, 3, and the Goobster is blinking right here. And then, you know, with a real big smile. And then we're going to copy again. Copy, paste. 1, 2, 3. And then, wait, 4. So on this frame, I'm going to take the lasso tool again. Select it. What I'm going to do here is take this, the TRSF. Go to the 0, go down, stretch him just a little bit. I don't know why it did that. That's rude, Flip-A-Clip. That's rude of you. Rude. All right, there we go. Sorry for the shaky. Ah! Sorry for the shaky table. There we go. And then see how he's coming up. What I want to do actually right here is make this even squishier. I said squishier, program. Right. You know, Flip-A-Clip, you're being rude right now. I did not. All right, here we go. Make sure you're within the parameters. And then bring the little 0 down. Squishy, stretchy. That's what we like. So he's coming down. And then when we get to here, right, we're at number 22. Right? When we get to 22 here, we're gonna be a little more extreme. We're gonna go back and get to 19. We're gonna copy number 19. We're gonna paste this one here. We're gonna paste it. Shoot. Sometimes if you do paste before, it'll leave an extra frame. So remember that, and you'll end up erasing. So now we're gonna go backwards. So we were on 19, right? Now we're gonna go to 18. Copy that. We're gonna go right here. And we're gonna go, if I do add. No, I don't want to add, excuse me. I'm gonna go paste. I'm gonna use the paste backwards. There we go. Now we can erase these empty ones. Sometimes when I get excited, I'm like, I'll go to get the rest. So this way, he's gonna be extreme. He's coming up now. He's coming up. And now we're gonna go to 15. No, actually, I said 19, 18, 17. Let's go to 17. Even though it's kind of the same frame. 17. Right here. We're gonna paste backwards. Here we go. Yep, look how beautiful this is turning out. I'm sorry I'm adding extra frames. That's just what I do. All right, now make sure you're paying attention. We're gonna go to 15. Let's just double check. Yep, we're gonna go to 15. Copy that. And then we're going to, let's see if it works if I do Paste this way. Oh, nope, see, erase. We're gonna paste this way now. There we go. This is why you paste for. There we go. He's coming up. Boop. We went to 15. And now we're gonna go to 13. And then now I could paste forward. And then we're gonna go to 11. Go straight to 11. And then we're gonna see how it's gonna look. A lot of the times when you copy paste, it gets a little crazy. So I want it to repeat properly, right? So maybe if I stop right here, that might work. We're just gonna look at how it works out first before I copy and paste number 6. So just let's have a look. Let's play it. Yay! He's gooing. He's going up and down and up and down. That's so cute. Look at him go. Good job, Goobert. It's a little choppy. So let's just see if adding that extra frame right around here will actually help him. Because it gets choppy right around here. But like when I go backwards, it seems great. You know what I mean? All right, let's add, we have, what frame is this one? Oh. Now let's play it. Wing. There we go. And it is complete. There we go. And there you have it. It only took you guys less than 10 minutes to make a little gooey Goobert. And have him squash and stretch and squash and stretch. The best part about making a little Goobert is you can make it any color you want. It'll only take you seconds to color. And he's fun. You could change the expressions if you desire. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to speed it up. I'm going to color him in and see where it goes. All right, I'll see you in a second. There you have it. A goofy, gooby goo for you to squash and stretch and play. You could add more frames to make it smoother. You could take frames and make it choppier. You could do whatever you want. But I hope this was helpful to you. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.